Hi there, my name is Allan. I am the Bioservices Functional Manager here at StarFish Medical. Recently wrote a blog on my tips around filling out a T661 form for the SR&ED tax credit. I'm going to share one of those tips with you here today. And the 5 tips, tip number 3 for me is to think like a grade 5 scientist. And that is when you're filling out the T661 form, and that's part B. There are 3 lines, line 242, line 244, and line 246. And those line up exactly with the scientific method we all learned back in grade 5. So line 242 is where we write down our purpose and our hypothesis. Line 244, that's where we write down our materials, our methods, and most importantly, the results. And yes, the results where things didn't work out as well, that is T661 gravy. Absolutely put that in there as well. And finally, line 246, that's where we write down our conclusions and our discussion. And the discussion is great because if you think about what we're doing in the next tax year, that's a great place to put that down, and the CRA likes that. Hopefully you'll find the rest of my tips helpful when you look at my blog, and you can follow that at the QR code that will show up at the end of this video. Thanks for your attention.